Hello, Namaste. Your career guide Vinny. Today, I'm coming with a topic called SaaS program. So many people are looking for doing AI and machine learning all the time. So now I would like to tell there are some other courses like you can look into that and gain more skills and more job opportunity. SaaS, SaaS. SaaS program stands for Software as a Service. So now it is all about cloud and security. So now this program will definitely help you to get your career and your accomplishment in career with good salary. So it is a computing model and the software application is delivered over the internet service. So SaaS program is nothing but instead of downloading a software, you can just use this program instead of a software. That's the logic behind it, so that you can get more security and work on cloud, and it will have more impact and quicker solution. Instead of installing a software on a local computer, you can access through a web browser. That's it. That's a simple thing. So now people who have finished this, they have multiple opportunities. One is creation, another one is marketing. So more into marketing and service is where you have opportunity. So now it's easy to install on a local computer and easy to access like a browser web page, and it works very good on mobile applications and software hosted maintained by third party provider. So third party provider will be providing the service, and you can just log in, or you can just use the app, or you can just log in to the host and start using it. In SaaS model, user pay per subscription. The fees is accessed based on the software. So how much you use, you're gonna pay for that. And this gives a huge potential and opportunity for startups, and also helps in better growth in the company. It works on a remote based server and managed by a provider, and provider is responsible for maintaining the software. So you don't need to worry. If anything happens, you can just give a call and there'll be a service 24/7. That's where you also can work in SaaS program or marketing or in sales or service. So it include updates, upgrades, and security patches. So you have regular updates and you have security patches, which you don't need to worry. You can just one click, everything is generated. So it helps in better infrastructure by themselves. For example, SaaS program include email clients like Gmail, project management tool like what is Telro or Asana, or the customer relationship CRM. So most popular is CRM. So now in your resume it adds a value: SaaS program, CRM software, then the Salesforce program you can take up, and you are the winner in the market, especially in hiring process. So SaaS has a better increase popular in recent years because of cost effective, and it is easy business for individuals to access the software and need not to be an expensive hardware or the infrastructure. So you can save a lot of money on creation, on maintenance, and security, because this one will take complete access of everything. So it's just a pay and subscribe and start using it. So in additional benefit of saving is SaaS program have several advantage. One is scalability. Every software based on scalability, accessibility, and security and integration. So all these things is incorporated in SaaS. So SaaS will give a definite good opportunity for you to build, create, maintain, and also sales. So you can look into all these sectors. So it makes on making changes of business needs. It has a customization option. Accessibility, it works on a very uh, with little network also it works better. And the security wise, SaaS program is maintained by third party, so they will maintain the security things, and you no need to have worry about your things and data. And integration is very simple. In one click it just opens up and you can subscribe and start using it. So now SaaS program is a very interesting to learn. SaaS, software as a service, SaaS. So now you can take up this course in Udemy, in Coursera, or EDX, or Code Academy, or Treehouse. So these are the few things which you can look into and take up the course, and you can accomplish with easily building up SaaS app or applications portal. So normally these programs they look for people who is having background of Java, so that you can start working on a complete SaaS program developer as a developer in boot camps. So boot camps was always a good option for you to work across, and these courses will have boot camps. I think you can concentrate on the boot camps. And Coursera is having options of cloud, so it gives access for cloud, and you can work across with architecture, building cloud, native applications, and you can use customization like Docker and other things. So edX again gives opportunity with AWS, Amazon cloud provider. So in the whole world, Amazon is the number one, AWS is the number one, where you can start working like S3, EC2, RDS, and these kind of things. And Code Academy will give good opportunity to build apps, Fire-based apps, which is quite popular in app development. Especially, they look for React JS or a Java to enter. So apart from this, is Treehouse is giving good opportunity to build SaaS app with Flask. Flask is another platform where you're going to work with Python and WebFrame and other technologies. So SaaS is a good option for you to start. You can start with the basic programming skills, which is available on YouTube, and later you can get into JavaScript or Python, or are familiar with any concepts related to it. And web development skills, it's most popular: ChatGPT, HTML, CSS, and server side. Or you can use script languages like PHP, Ruby, and Rails. So if you have any of these kind of things along with add-on, SaaS program will definitely give you a good opportunity in all the companies where you go. Familiarities with cloud computing is which is helpful for AWS, because number one and maximum users are Amazon cloud. So AWS stands number one. Next comes as Azure or cloud, Google or Microsoft. Azure is nothing but Microsoft. So now you get good opportunity. It's better to go with AWS, and then you can get specialization with Google or whichever you are comfortable with. So to get better job opportunity, AWS is a good choice. So familiarity with database. So now SQL plays a major role in creating these database. So if you should have SQL programs before entering into SaaS program. SQL, HTML. For marketing, you just need a basics. If you're a developer, then you need all these things which I'm discussing. As a marketing person, you can just if you're good in communication, and if you're ready to learn, I think you can start enter into market of SaaS, and you can get motivated with your sales, and you get good incentives and recognitions. So next, SaaS program developed by a lot of willingness is required for creation of this, where you have to do a lot of PMP will definitely help. Project management program, where you will design, takes time, interact with client, and modify, update. There's a lot of interaction. It is not just you create it, because it is all customer requirements. You want to fulfill as per the requirements and create the SaaS program. So hope the SaaS program has given a good inputs for you to take up this program. So your career guide Vinny is trying to put across with more information on the courses with more clarity, so that you can make a right choice as a fresher. Being a BCom, BSc, BA doesn't matter. If you are a good learner, you can enter into software today because of AI and machine learning. It's all about your skills and your willingness and your interest. So do involve and explore. If you have any questions, do comment. Please do share my podcast or my YouTube on your family and friend circle, in all the WhatsApp groups, so that I can reach out to more people and guide them, like how you are confused. So many people are confused. So let's help them and guide them for better future. Good luck. Do take SaaS program, and it has a good future. Thank you. Your Vinny, career guide, signing off.